Meaning of glowworm.
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 Glowworm. A glowworm is a type of insect that belongs to the family Lampyridae. The females of this species are wingless and produce a bioluminescent light from their tails, which they use to attract males for mating purposes. The name glowworm comes from this ability to emit light, which makes them visible even in the dark. Glowworms are found in many parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, and Australia. They play an important role in the ecosystem as they are a food source for other insects and birds.